Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you auto save your Python files like this. You see, you don't get that unsaved button text here in the VS Code. Let's do this. Add this function in VS Code without wasting our time. Now, how do you do this is very simple. You just go to the files button this on the VS Code, click here. Now here you will see a button, another button which is auto save. You just click on this button. What will happen when you click this button is that your any programming language files are just going to be saved automatically. This is very easy and going to change your life. And what you do, if I'm just going to close this autosave function for showing you. I'm going to change this amazing with good. You see, I get one unsaved text. Okay, thanks for watching till then. Meet you in the next video. Don't forget to give your valuable feedbacks in the comments. Bye bye.